In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an Excel file into Zoho CRM. Whether you're familiar with Zoho CRM or setting it up for the first time, importing data efficiently is a crucial skill, essential for keeping your processes running smoothly. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide and make sure you have your data where you need it. First things first. Preparing your Excel file is crucial for a seamless import process. You want to make sure your file is formatted correctly to avoid any issues. Ensure your file is in one of the accepted formats, such as .xls, .xlsx, or SV. These are the standard file types that Zoho CRM recognizes, so sticking to these formats is essential. When you open your file, you'll want to ensure that the first row contains your field headers. These headers could be fields such as first name, last name, or email. Having these clearly defined helps Zoho CRM recognize the data you're importing. Another important step is making sure that data like dates, phone numbers, and drop-down options are formatted to match what Zoho CRM accepts. This small step can prevent a lot of headaches later on. It's also a good idea to remove any unnecessary complexity from your file, such as formulas, merged cells, and special characters. These elements can confuse the system and potentially disrupt your import, so clearing them out will save you time and trouble. Now that your file is ready, head over to Zoho CRM and go to the module where you'd like to import your data. This could be leads, contacts, deals, or any other module pertinent to your needs. You'll find that there's a three-dot menu, or sometimes a drop-down with the module name, on your screen. Click on it to reveal more options. Among these options, you'll see something labeled Import. Select this to initiate the import process. Next, you'll need to choose where you're importing the data from. In this case, we're importing from a file. Select the option that says Import from File. Following this, click on the Browse button. This will open a window where you can navigate to the location of your Excel file. Once you've found the right file, select it to upload your data into Zoho CRM. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring your important data into Zoho CRM. Following these steps will ensure you have all the information you need right where you need it, setting you up for success with your CRM tasks. Remember, taking the time to prepare your data correctly will save you from potential problems and streamline your workflow. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in importing your Excel files into Zoho CRM. Thank you for watching and happy importing!